I think good design should be spontaneous and something that's personal to you. Hi, I'm Aimee France. I'm a home baker, and welcome to my home in Brooklyn, New York. This is both my home and where I run my business, so I designed it to do both. And I can't wait to show you around. Actually, let's just start right here. I decided to turn my second bedroom into my office/storage room. I designed this room to be functional, so I got these open shelves so I could display all of my ingredients. I have bulk flour and sugar, an 11-pound chocolate bar, and a lot of extra boxes. Having everything at eye level is the best way to display your products. When I first saw this apartment, I was like, wow, these ceilings are so high, and I run my business through social media, and taking photos is a big part of my day-to-day work. And all this natural light just really makes my cakes look their best. Now let me show you one of my favorite things about this room, my butter fridge. Because the most important part of baking is the pounds of buttercream that I make every single week. This is my main living area, which includes my entry, my kitchen, and my living room, but it's also where I spend most of my time. The holidays are the busiest time of the year for me, and I'm home almost every day making cakes, so I really wanted my space to be festive and cozy. Every year I get a rosemary Christmas tree. It's just a rosemary plant, but I like to decorate it with little ornaments. Something that's sentimental to me about the holidays is candies and chocolate, so I like to decorate with them all around my apartment. Especially for when guests come over, I like to tell them to just take whatever they want. I also like to decorate with garland, and everything I decorated the garland with has some sort of significance to me. And as you can notice, butter is a recurring theme. But now, let me show you where I do most of my work. I have my kitchen strategically organized to make the process of baking go as seamless as possible. Like the rest of my apartment, it's basically a set. So this is where I take a lot of breakfast photos, and I wanted to decorate it for the holiday season and just make it really festive. You've seen how I decorate my house. Now let me show you how I decorate my cakes. I make traditional and vegan cakes, and I'm known for using foraged ingredients to decorate. Nature has always inspired me, and it also inspires the design of my cake, so that's why I love to decorate with it. And I think I do something that's a little different and out of the box, which makes people gravitate towards my cakes. They're a little unconventional. Some may even say they're wacky and whimsical. I always like to put a topper on the cake. It also kind of looks like a little wreath with the juniper berries around it. It almost looks like the cake was found in an enchanted winter forest. I have one more step. Let's go take some photos. This is my bedroom, but since this room gets such incredible light, it's also where I shoot all of the photos of my cakes. Because so much of my business is done through social media, my photos have to look great. So this is how I decorate for the season, and I hope you all have a sweet holiday.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.